Hello and thank you for choosing Wildfire. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money and make payments between your Wildfire accounts, loans, and shares in the Digital Plus Business mobile banking system for Android devices. Once you're in your mobile banking account app, tap the Move Money icon at the bottom of the screen, which looks like two arrows facing in opposite directions. This will take you to the Move Money screen. From here, select the Make a Transfer option. On the Make a Transfer page, you'll be able to transfer money between your shares and accounts and make loan payments. To start a transfer payment, select the account you wish to transfer money from in the From box. Then select the account or loan you want to send money to in the To box. After selecting the accounts to transfer money between, enter the amount you want to transfer in the Amount field. Next, select the frequency you would like to transfer to occur by using the Frequency and Transfer Date fields. Whether it's just a one-time transfer or you would like to set up a recurring transfer, you can choose how often you want the transfer to occur and set transfers up to occur weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Once you have everything all set, tap the Continue button at the bottom of the screen, taking you to the Review Payment screen. Here you can double-check your transfer, ensuring it's set up to go as you would like it. If you change your mind about the transfer, tap the back arrow at the top left of the screen to take you back to the Make a Transfer screen. If everything looks good, tap the Confirm and Transfer button to complete your transfer or payment. And just like that, your transfer or payment will be posted. And there you have it. If you have any other questions, please call us or stop by one of our branch locations and one of our friendly representatives will assist you. Thank you for watching.